To solve this simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule of metrics. Now the first thing you're going to do is the coefficients of the unknown variables in your left hand side becomes your matrix. You have 4, minus 3, 5, and minus 2. You can just say let A. That means this A is standing as my original matrix. Okay. Now the right hand side is the constant. So we'll get to that. Now you get the determinants of the original matrix. Determinant of A is equal to, now you work determinants by multiplying the leading diagonal, which is like this one, like this. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Then you say minus. Then you multiply the second diagonal. The one that's moved from the left down is the leading diagonal. That is what you multiply first before you multiply the second diagonal. So you say minus, you multiply the second diagonal. That is how you solve determinants of a matrix. That is for 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So 4 times minus 2 is minus 8, minus 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. So that you have minus 8. Minus minus becomes plus. So just, that is minus 8 plus 15 becomes 7. Since you've gotten the determinants of the original matrix, for P and for Q, look at what we're going to do. For P, what you're going to do is you're going to replace the coefficient of P with the constants. So for P, the matrix P is going to be equal to, you replace the coefficient of P with the constant. That is the method there. The constants are 2 and 6. Then you write the coefficient of the Q, which is minus 3 and minus 2. You find the determinant of P as well. So determinant of P is equal to 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, minus 6 times minus 3 is minus 18. So you're going to have it as minus 4, minus times minus is plus 18. So the minus 4 plus 18 becomes positive 14. Okay, now you found the determinant of P. Now for P, you have the determinant of P over determinant of A is going to give you the value of P. Now what is our determinant of P? We'll have it as 14 divided by determinant of A is 7. When you have 14 divided by 7, your answer is 2. Now let's get the value for Q. Now for Q, you want to replace the coefficient of Q by the constant again to form your matrix Q. So that means my matrix Q is going to be, you're going to write that of the P, which is 4 and 5. Then replacing that of Q with the constant, we're going to have 2 and 6. Now you find the determinant. Determinant of Q is going to be, you multiply the leading diagonal. 4 times 6 is 24. Minus, you multiply the leading diagonal minus the second diagonal. That is how you do determinants of 2 by 2 matrix. 5 times 2 is 10. When you deduct 10 from 24, it's going to remain 14. So to get the value of P, it is equal to determinant of Q over determinant of the original matrix. So determinant of Q now is 14 divided by determinant of the original matrix, matrix A is 7. Oh, I think I've made a mistake. I was solving P again. Was I? Wait, let me check it. Okay, I'm still correct. So the determinant of Q is 14, while the determinant of the original matrix is still 7. So 14 over 7 is still 2. Therefore, P is equal to 2 and Q is also equal to 2. Now today you've learned how to solve simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule of metrics. Bye.